Hello, and I am RC Steven, and just want to go over my TX4 Defender body, all the upgrades I've done with it so far. So let's start with the front, then I'll work my way to the back. So in the front I have the RC four-wheel drive bumper, and I put in the Warn winch, and it's wireless winch, and I also got a hook for it, as you can see, and also on the bumper I have custom license plate, and got from RC scale license plates. What I'll do is I'll put a link to my page there. Also too, I put on over here the lines here, the limb risers. Also, I put in black sticker, and on the side here, on these two sides here, I put in I got from Shapeways vents, and also from Shapeways I got a piece for that. What I used was a silver Sharpie to do that, to fill in the little grates. I have here the Baja lights and the the Traxxas TRX light, and pretty much that's on the front. On the side here, I had the door handles put on. Put those on. I glued them on with shoe glue. Just a couple accessories I put on. There's the axe, and also the 3D printed canoe. So that's on top there. And then on the back, also from Shapeways, it's probably from Night Customs, is the ladder. I have the RC World rear bumper with the tire, and also I got the tire cover for it in the back, and just a couple more accessories. And then on this side I have the gas can and the bucket there. So that's pretty much what's I have so far on the outside, the exterior. So let me pause this and take the cover off and show what I have done inside. Alright, so I'm back. So in the inside, we'll start from the front. I put in hot racing mount for the bumper. Also, I have the skid plate, and let's see here, hot racing body mounts. I also changed the servo on it to the HD 23kg, and it's waterproof. I also got a aluminum servo horn. See what else? I also got the 27 turn Holmes Hobby motor, and for the servo I have the Castle BEC. And here you can see the wireless winch controller here. I run a 2S battery SMC, SMC 5400, and also I run for the winch itself a separate battery. I run this 2S little guy here, the Venom battery. And let's see here, also from the back here, again, hot racing body mount for the rear, and also So I can get that there. And another HR here mount for that. And also the rear mounts I have for HR Hot Racing here. And then again, you see here I have another skid plate. Let's see here. I'm running the original tires that came with it, but I also do have brass C knuckles. You got the Simex here. Let's see here, and then I have MIP. Brings the tires out about 4 millimeters. So I have that, and then also, and I have Hot Racing for the outside here, the hub, and also I'm running drive shafts to the MIPs. So I did quite a bit of upgrades on this. So far I did a lot. So right now, when I'm waiting for, actually I'm not waiting for anything pretty much. I mean, I got everything that I wanted so far on here. Let's see what else did I forget. Oh, got a fan, 3D printed fan. So this is so it blows it out this way. There's a fan in here, and then here have the running boards. I have the RC 4-wheel drive running boards on both sides. Other than that, that's pretty much it. I don't know if I forgot anything else, but yeah. So I mean, from what I've done so far, it runs pretty good. The only thing is, have not really ran this a lot, but it does run pretty good. So I did take this. My local hobby shop has a indoor course that I put this on, and it ran pretty good. And other than that, my first crawler, 10 scale crawler, not bad. It is heavier than anything else. It's definitely heavier than the Axle trucks, but this is my baby right here, and more upgrades to come as soon as I can get to it. All right, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button. Hit the like button down here. All right, fantastic. You all have a great day.